These are actually pretty sweet too. Oh, look at that. 95 NSXR. Jeez. That's actually kind of sweet. I've never seen this one before. What is this?
You're okay,
Sorry. 3,900. Come on now. I guess we're grabbing this one. I mean, what?